How did I achieve this hair color in just 30 minutes? I used this Lux Organics Color Plus Care hair color in the shade of light ash blonde. For the price of 139 pesos, meron na yung hair colorant, hair oxidizer, hair treatment or hair conditioner. May kasama na rin yung gloves, hair caps, and container kung wala kang lagayan ng mismong hair color. All we have to do is to mix the hair colorant and the hair oxidizer. Sobrang dali lang talaga mag-hair color mga Mimalabs ko, lalo na kung medyo tight yung budget for the salon or wala kang time, try mo na din mag-DIY hair color. Mag-e-enjoy ka na, makakatipid ka pa. If ever na color treated na yung hair natin, katulad ko mga Mimalabs ko, I'm sure ma-achieve nyo yung hair color na gusto natin. Pero kung natural or black yung hair nyo, pwede kayong mag-bleach para mas ma-achieve nyo yung color na mas gusto nyo. Grabe na talaga yung routines ng hair ko. 2 months ba naman akong hindi nakapag-hair color? Babad lang natin siya for 30 minutes and ganito yung magiging result. Available at Watson's and SM Beauty nationwide. Grab yours now!